What are the things that you see people do wrong? Because I think I always joke that it's good to learn from your own mistakes, but it's better to learn from someone else's.
Yes, I get that we have like uncountable mistakes, right? But the most common ones are these ones. For example, when we talk about selfers, the good thing is that we always have clear limits, right? So when you have like a clear limit, you can try to avoid like that type of risk in order to hitting on limits, right? So not considering reports and dashboard limits is a huge mistake. So it's important to avoid hitting on limits. You have like limits on the number of records that you are going to display. You have limits on the formulas. You have limits on a lot of things. So when it's about creating reports and dashboard, it's important to consider that, especially when you have a lot of records in your Salesforce org. Then when you have a report that, when you have a report that it's already built based on a report type, and you suddenly change your mind and you want to try to change the primary object that is on the report type, you are going to struggle a lot. Probably it's better that you choose another report type and you start a new report from scratch. So that is another common mistake. And then forgetting about running the dashboards with the sharing and security settings from a running user. Because when you use a running user, you are going to emulate the permissions and the visibility of the records of that specific user. So sometimes you forget about this feature of functionality and you have a lot of complaints from like final users as well.